Hey guys, Lock Hacker here. What I have today here with me is a Master Lock Padlock, which I believe to be M5 series. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe that's what that means. It's got the boron carbide shackle, and it also has the steel ball bearing in there, so we can't shim this one. But what I'm going to try to do instead is rake it. Just the rake, and we're going to use bottom of the keyway tension with this tension wrench. So I don't actually have the key for this one, but it is unlocked, so I guess here we go. We'll start on that. See how long it takes me to rake this. Alright, so here we go. It's locked. Make sure this is back. Yep, that closed up on us. Cool. Okay. Alright, let's get started. Yep, there we go. I'll put the timer up again so we can see how fast that was, because I don't have my watch with me, but it looks like that was another probably about a minute, maybe less. We just got that open. See if, alright, well, how much do you trust this one, guys? See if I can't get another crack at this. So that, get my tension wrench here, bottom of the keyway. Now these also too, if you guys can see, these have stops here, so this is obviously, it's a one-way turn. I can't turn the other way, so it's got to go this way. Sometimes if you're starting out, that might be confusing. You might not know which way the key turns, but keys like this, you only got one option. So the key with the rake is to be just jiggle it in there. You can try all different ways, but I find that just rapid movement works the best. And then just keep that heavy tension on that tension wrench. And hopefully see if I can't try zipping it maybe. Oh, there we go. Just got it again. Okay. Let's open number 2. Alright. What else? Maybe I can see how well this works. This is the worm. I haven't really tried this yet, but seeing how this is opening really nicely for me. See if I can't play around with this one. Just bounce it around in there. Hopefully one of these nothing. Oh. Yep, there it is. Just zipped it. Just zipped it with this worm. Just stuck it in there, right back. And that's 3 opens. See if I can't pull that off one more time. I'm trying to get this to go quicker, but maybe that's the key of this one, just zipping it. Oh, yeah, there it is. Boom, okay. So that's the key. Worm, rake, just stick that in there with your tension wrench, zip it back real good, and it'll pop open on you pretty quick. Alright guys, is this the lock for you? Let me know in the comments. Alright. I'll see you guys later with another video. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like it, let me know. Hit the like button. Leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks guys.